let's check it out. I'm done, but still the cheese not coming. So this only a kind of fruit platter. Eto na siya, guys. What do you think? It's a very simple design, but I'm gonna make the nice one next time. Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. Today I'm going to prepare the fruit and cheese platter, and I'm going to show you how to prepare this. But still I'm waiting for my cheese, but I have to start now because before it's getting late. So the fruits I'm going to use is I have here. Okay, the fruits I'm going to use, I have here at this. It's already washed. The grapes and the strawberry and the cherry. And then the blueberry. I have here jackfruit and what is this? I forgot the name. This one. And rambutan, very popular in Philippines. And this one is, what is this? Persimmon? I don't know. Okay, and then I have here also the dipping sauce. It's a beetroot with the tahina and hummus. Yeah. So I want to use this platter, but my boss said it's too small. We have visitors, so that's why I'm going to use this one, the big one. So let's start now. I have here also pineapples from Philippines. Okay, I'm going to start now. Okay, first I need to peel this, of course. Then okay, I have to start now. Knife, it's like a knife. Let's put on the center. Okay. Okay. Let's add this one and this one. I need to be in a hurry. This one. This one. I'm gonna try this. But I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold it till I die. You will break me down and cry. This strawberry I'm gonna cut like a flower. Okay. One more. Just put on side. The other side. And the other side. Okay. This. Okay, I'm in a hurry. I have also here coconut. Coconut, let's add. Add coconut. Need more coconut. Okay, I have to add the cracker. Charan! Hurry till I die. Till we both break down inside. Almost done. Okay, let's add some more cherries. Let's see. Nice. And then I'm going to add this dipping sauce. Purple. Can I add this rambutan? Rambutan. May niyog pa siya. Let's gonna add some more coconut. Hello, Bello. I am together with them. Okay, let's check. Charan! Oh, I forgot the jackfruit. Okay, this, let's put some design. Okay, this one here. So, another this side one. One more. Okay guys, what do you think? It's a nice one or not? Wait, I'm gonna add this jackfruit here. Okay. Yes, a baby. Yeah. Now let's check it out. I'm done, but still the cheese not coming. So this only a kind of fruit platter. Eto na siya guys. What do you think? It's a very simple design. But I'm gonna make the nice one next time. So that's all for now guys, and please subscribe my channel, like and share. God bless everyone. Till next video. Bye bye.